Hey y'all, so in the last video I explained that you guys could update the HTML computer system and you can make it look different or update certain features. So in this video I'm deciding to show y'all the dev kit that I've been working on. It's just a small little dev kit. You can go through it and see what you like, what you don't like, what you suggest me to add, and also keep in mind that there are a lot of features that I added to the HTML computer system itself. So I'm really trying to add brand new features instead of adding stuff that could potentially be duplicates, because there are two things in here. Let me show you 1 second. Let me update it so I can show y'all what I mean. All right. So you guys saw the background change. That's actually something that I have already pre-adjusted. Now the dev kit, I'm just going to explain a few features and then I want you guys to kind of go through it, see what you guys like and what you guys don't like. So I would say the main features, you could change the desktop background like how you saw previously. If I want to change it to that, can change it to blue, whatever color I want. You can also install something as a system program. I need you to keep in mind that if you do this, even if you downgrade and remove everything off of there, it will not delete this. You will have to go into manual storage yourself and delete it. And I do have a tool for local storage, so you can get inside the storage and delete it. So if you need help with that, I got you. My fault for not making it to where you could just remove it, but I think I do have a backup in there where if you enter in the passcode, then that's another way for you to actually get rid of a master program as sort of a backup way. But other than that, you're going to have to go inside the local storage. My bad, but that's just how I intended it because it's supposed to be a system program. EP tool and gaming mode are basically the same. They were supposed to be something where you enter in a code, it gets encrypted, and then you optimize it so that way it can run better. It did not work the way I intended it to. It works, but it doesn't work, fully. So we gonna see what's up with that. The gaming mode may or may not be removed. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make both of them distinctly different. So one is more or less for like other stuff, and the other one is more for gaming. I'm gonna figure out some way. Tasks, you can make your own tasks, as in like opening stuff and doing certain things. I've made it possible for that. Uh JS terminal, you can run JavaScript code in it as well as update through it as well. So think of it as exactly how it sounds, a JavaScript terminal. Live display. Now, this is something I actually had to fix because it has some major issues. But long story short, live display, it just shows all of the HTML code and everything in, whatever action you do. It's supposed to show the HTML code. It will also show the event log to show everything that's going on. So anytime you open or do something inside of the computer system, it will be logged in that way if you have the dev kit installed. If you don't, it won't pop up. Or at least I don't think so. Yeah, as far as my knowledge, it doesn't do it. But as long as you have this installed, it's gonna pop up everything. What's one more thing I can tell y'all before I go? Oh yeah, the icon changer. The icon changer, you could change the picture. You could choose a picture from files, or you could add a URL. So let's say I want to change the picture of the virtual disk or the file manager, dev kit, HTML recorder, anything. Then you could just do it like that.